video, I will try to use my Leica gems for the first time since it's my birthday and we will find the nearest merchant here in my place. So let's go guys! OMG, it's so hot. Now we are on our way in the nearest merchant. With my cousin. Init. Already here in Papagaan. We are waiting for our tita. Say hi to my vlog. Wait na kami. Medyo matagal. Siguro mga 10 to 30 minutes bago kami dito ng tita. Hi guys, now we are going to Jollibee. Hi guys, this is my simple celebration because it's my birthday. Yan ang ating handa. And this is the katas of Laika. Thank you, Laika!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Walang candle. Bawal eh.
One eternity later.
Kain na na!
So, I will end this vlog because nagugutom na sila. Ayan, sumasandok na nga po siya. Gutom na talaga. So, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!